Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. In the internet security series video, we are here to understand install firewalls. So first of all, we have to understand what is firewall. Firewalls actually student can be a software or hardware and can assist keep the computer in a network secure. Firewall analyze the network traffic and determine if the traffic should be allowed or not. In most cases, operating systems such as Linux, Windows, Macintosh include the firewall software as a part of operating system, thus keeping the computer secure. In the rare case, you may need to configure your firewall for additional security. Never install software from unknown sources as they might not trustworthy. Download only from the well-known or reputed website. Verifying the sources if the software by searching internet or referring to the comments from other users before downloading them. Understand the nature of the purpose and software before attempting to download and install them. Remove unwanted or unknown software application. This might be have got installed without your knowledge when you visit some website. So website may automatically download your software along with unwanted software in your computer, and they are installed in your computer apart whatever your search software. So unwanted software could get installed as they might have been bundled along with unnecessary, I would say necessary file. Some programs such as toolbar get installed usually through the bundle of software and are performed to send the personal data without your content. So now clearing the data stored in browser. So student, it is also important to clear data stored in a browser. Web browsers actually have built-in password management and they are designed to store password for some form of website. Browser often prompt save username and password when user attempt login to the websites. This facility offered to user so that they log in their frequently used website without having to type username and password. However, it is advisable to leave the browser stored data, particularly on public or shared computer. So to clear personal data from your web browser such as Mozilla Firefox, in this term we are going to understand. So we have to start launch the browser, and after launching the browser you can see figure number 38. Click tool menu and click, then after that that is click option. Then after that security tab will be there. In that you will click and see window will display this such type of button, and notice that under password section, remember password should be checked, and this mean browser configure to save password for website automatically. You can uncheck that and remember password for site option. If you are prefer not to store password, you can do that. Mozilla Firefox can also store data such as cookies. As I teach you what are the cookies. Cookies are actually text-based file which website use to know your status, okay, and whatever you visited wide or web data, browsing history, etc. To clear this stored data, click on General tab option, and then after that following window will be appear. That window say figure number 3.9, and then after that click on Privacy tab. Following window will be display. So after that 40 figure number will be open. Under the history section, click on drop down menu and Firefox will open this such type of figure number 41. Select the use custom setting for history from drop down list, and the following window will be displayed. And the figure number 42 will say notice the preference, and Firefox configure the remember browsing and downloading history search from the internet cookies. If you do not wish to store above mentioned data, select never remember history from the drop down list. And you are a public environment such as the cyber cafe, you have selected option, so clear all current history. You can just click on that. On selecting this option, the following window will be appear in front of you, figure number 43. So this is clear all history. Then after that you need to click now button, and then you have to press OK button. From now Mozilla Firefox will not remember any history whatever you have configured after that. There are several online threats such as phishing, email spoofing, chat spoofing, etc. So you can reduce the risk by using the best practices as antivirus software, anti-spyware software, firewall. Strong password you need to have, as I teach you in a later video how to select a strong password. And addition to the separate the awareness of the best practice. So student, we have learned how to use firewall. I am to say what is firewall and how it help us, and how to clear the browser history on the basis of Mozilla Firefox internet browser. So I hope student you have learned it well. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.